Entebeekanisa ezi niziteebwa mu ssente ihanga lya Ireland kurabira omu mikora y'amakuru eya Vision Group. Aha b'omwaka ogu minisita w'ebyobwegyese n'emizaano Janet Kataha Museveni niwabiire omugyenyi mukuru aha mukoro ogu ogubiire aha office nkuru za Vision Group omuri industrial area omuri Kampala.
We live in times where people who lack values are looked up to for some reason and are celebrated for the wealth they amass through corruption and other vices. This negative role modeling has resulted in a generation without morals and the values that Ugandans once espoused from a religious and cultural perspective. It is therefore critical that educational institutions at all levels place equal emphasis on subject instruction as they do on the development of a spirit of patriotism and the instilling of values such as a love for serving our country.
Kurujira har Minister Kataha government etwire netamani okureba ngo abana bashomesa bo muri ngo murungi ni kireberwa mu nkora yabona bashome eriyo primary na secondary ombicweka byona omuyihanga,
which honors exceptional teachers who go beyond the call of duty to ensure learning takes place. This project motivates the teachers to continue their great work while also inspiring others to join the teaching profession. By publishing the works of these teachers, this initiative also gives educators a platform to exchange innovative teaching techniques and strategies with one another, thus fostering a culture that promotes collaboration and ongoing learning.
Hona nabwo Minister Simiro mukora gwa Vision Group okushagika program ya Teachers Making a Difference ekyari kwekiririza mukuba musingi muhango omukutungera ebyobwegyese omuyihanga,
and that it adheres to the Ugandan norms and culture. You have the technical skills, you have the human resources and strategy to produce this product with excellence. And as a major stakeholder, the Ministry of Education will offer the support to make sure that this product reaches our young people all over the country. I would now like to express my sincere appreciation to the board, management and staff of Vision Group for choosing to establish a project that motivates and encourages teachers to serve their nation with excellence and hard work.
Nashaba abashomesa abatori no kuzo mu ihanga lya Ireland okuba eky'okureeberaho kirungi ahabwa Uganda omurutayo rwabo okwo. Aha mukoro ogu mukuru wa Vision Group Don Wanyama asimira abashomesa abehireyo okubetara yabeja bari kushomesa kandi hona abashabo kutarazitara yorweto rwabo.
We know the majority of teachers are good, but there are obviously those who stand out among their peers. So, the New Vision launched this project, Teachers Making a Difference, in 2008 as an offshoot of a project that we were doing then called Ugandans Making a Difference, to recognize those teachers who have not resigned to fate, but demonstrated innovation in the delivery of the curriculum, teachers who have gone beyond the normal call of duty to impact their students and the school communities.
Bamwe abashomesa batorinwe okuba bo mutano basiimira entebeekanisa zona kandi baraganisa obutosha okuba eky'okureeberaho hamwe n'etaara y'abeegi abo bari kushomesa.
I help these girls in making the reusable pads because in Karamoja region when a girl is in her periods traditionally she's not supposed to be in public. They even fear, they go and sit in the soil.
In a school where I've been taken, I found things was not simple. There was a lot of needs that the school wanted, and parents alone cannot do it. The teachers alone cannot make it.
Ngendo mu maso ninkwata abana nitukole ebintu by'amaanyi, especially conserving the environment. Ebyo byenyini tukola nanka ni gates okuva mu chupa.
He earns himself a trip to Ireland for his efforts. What a befitting reward.